I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your Dropbox account. For that, you'll need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser you want. For now, I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your web browser, search dropbox.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Dropbox website. Be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on top right of your screen. Go to settings. Now you'll have to open in desktop view. For that, you'll have to tap on the 3-bar menu icon, which is on top right of your screen, and then tap on desktop site. Then under personal account, there you'll see the section of general. Under general, you'll see delete account, which is at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. After that, enter your password and your reason for deleting your account. After you are done, tap on permanently delete. This way you can delete your Dropbox account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.